It's not too big, not too small, and now it's not too boring. This is the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, and for its first major refresh, Toyota decided to stop playing it safe. They've given it a sleeker face, a faster brain, and a cabin that finally feels as modern as the tech under the hood. It's the SUV for people who want the efficiency of a Prius, but the ground clearance of a truck. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're finding out if this is the only car you'll ever actually need. Under the skin, Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system is the star of the show. By pairing a 2.0-liter four-cylinder with a high-output electric motor, you get a total system output of 196 horsepower. That's enough to hit 60 in 8 seconds. Flat beating out almost every base engine rival in its class. But the real winner is your wallet. You're looking at an estimated 42 miles per gallon combined. And because the hybrid comes standard with electronic AWD, you've got grip on the rear wheels the second the road gets slippery. No drive shaft required. Visually, the 2026 model stands out with its new front fascia. While the gas models stay rugged, the hybrid goes high-tech with a seamless, color-matched grille that looks like it was borrowed from the new Camry. It gets new. LED daytime running lights and an available Cavalry blue paint job with a two-tone black roof. Inside, the center console has been reworked to maximize storage and give you easier access to the wireless charging pad. But the big news? A new 10.5-inch touchscreen that finally supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across a larger, more vibrant canvas. For those who want a bit more edge. The GR Sport trim returns with a stiffer suspension tune, red seatbelts, and suede-like upholstery that keeps you planted. Regardless of the trim, every 2026 model comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense. It's 3.0. That means you get full-speed adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and a new proactive driving assist that gently slows the car into curves. It's a cocoon of safety wrapped in a subcompact shell. The 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid is the Swiss Army knife of crossovers. It's more efficient, more tech-heavy, and honestly better looking than ever. Is this the best value in Toyota's lineup? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.